To set your video resolution to 4K in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. This is where you create AI-generated videos using text prompts and different video models. Once inside the generator, begin a new project or open an existing one. Enter your prompt describing the video you want to create. Then select your preferred video model. After that, look for the settings panel where you can adjust generation options, such as aspect ratio, duration, and resolution. In most cases, Artlist AI allows you to choose a base resolution such as 720p or 1080p before generation. For best results, select the highest available base quality, usually 1080p Full HD, since this gives you more detail to work with during upscaling. After you generate your video, the platform provides an option to enhance or upscale your result. This is where you can convert your video into 4K Ultra HD. Click the upscale option and select 4K as your target resolution. The system will process your video and enhance it by increasing detail, sharpness, and overall clarity. This step does not just stretch the image. It uses AI enhancement to improve quality while maintaining the original structure of the video. Once the upscaling process is complete, you can preview the final 4K output. Check for sharpness, motion clarity, and overall visual quality to make sure it meets your expectations. If needed, you can go back and adjust your prompt or settings and generate a new version before upscaling again. This helps improve the final result, especially for complex scenes or cinematic outputs. Finally, once you are satisfied, download your 4K video and use it for high-quality content such as social media, presentations, advertisements, or professional projects. And that's how you set video resolution to 4K in Artlist AI. Generate your video at high base quality, use the upscale feature, select 4K, and download your final ultra high-definition output.